The chapter is Polynomials for standard 9. So we are doing factorization. This is part 10. So continuing with our cubic polynomial x cube minus y cube format. We have to factorize this a to the power of 6 minus 7 29. So we can write this as a squared the whole cube minus 7 cube. So this is of this format, x cube minus y cube. So substitute a squared as x and y as 7, and then substitute in this, we will get the answer. So this is equal to a squared is, so x is equal to a squared and y is equal to 7. So x minus y is a squared minus 7 into this is 9 cube, 729 is 9 cube. So a squared minus 9 into a squared the whole squared. So a squared the whole squared plus xy. So a squared into 9a squared, then plus y squared. So y squared is 9 squared. So this is equal to, now we can again factorize this a squared minus b squared format. So a plus 3 into a minus 3 now this will become a to the power of 4 plus 9a squared plus 81. So here again we can factorize this. So if we add, now this is a squared, this is a perfect square, a squared the whole squared, and 81 is a perfect square. So in case we are writing a squared plus 9 the whole squared, then it becomes suppose if it is a squared plus 9 the whole squared, a to the power of 4 plus 81 into 2ab. So 2 into 9, 18 a squared. So we have only 9 squared. So if we add one 9 squared and subtract one 9 a squared, then you can write it in that format. So we will write this as a plus 3 into a minus 3. Now this can be written as a to the power of 4 plus 18a squared plus 81. So I will subtract that 9a squared. So 18a squared minus 9a squared will become 9a squared. Now this we can be written as, so this will continue as it is. Now this can be written as a squared plus 9 the whole squared minus 3a the whole squared. So again this is in the format of x squared minus y squared format. So again factorizing. So a plus 3 into a minus 3, a squared plus 9 plus 3a, x squared minus y squared is x plus y. So a squared plus 9 plus 3a into a squared plus 9 minus 3a. So that's it, we cannot factorize further. So your final answer is a plus 3 into a minus 3 into a squared plus 3a plus 9 into a squared minus 3a plus 9. Now coming to this problem. Now you have 2 as a common factor here. So we can take 2 as out. So 2 into a cube plus, then you are left with 8b cube, that you can write it as 2b the whole cube, minus, again here you can take 5 as a common. So 5 plus 2b. So minus 5a minus 10b. You can, after, if you are having a doubt, you can just check, multiply and check it whether you have the signs are correct or not. Now here you will again factorize. This is of the format x cube plus y cube, where x is equal to a and y is equal to 2b. So we will write this as x plus y, so a plus 2b into a squared is, so x is equal to a and y is equal to 2b. If you are getting confused, you can write down like this and then simply substitute. So a plus 2b into a squared minus xy, so 2ab plus y squared. Y squared is 4b squared. Minus, now this will become minus 5 into a plus 2b. Now we can take a plus 2b. Now a plus 2b is common in both the terms. We will take out a plus 2b. So we are left with 2a squared. This I am multiplying 2, I am taking the 2 inside. So this becomes 2a squared minus 4ab plus 8b squared a minus 2b. It's not possible. Minus 5 into minus 5. That's it. Rewrite it. A plus 2b I have taken out. So 2a squared minus 4ab plus 8b squared minus 5. So this is your answer. Now it is a to the power of 12 minus b to the power of 12. So first we can write this as a to the power of 4 the whole cube minus b to the power of 4 the whole cube. So again, this is of the form x cube plus x cube minus y cube. So x is equal to, here write it here, x is equal to a to the power of 4 and y equal to b to the power of 4. If you write down this, it is easy to substitute. So x minus y is a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4 into, now x squared. So it is a to the power of 4 the whole squared will become a to the power of 8. 4 into 2, 8 plus a to the power of 4 b to the power of 4 plus y squared is b to the power of 8. Now you can write this again. This is x squared minus y squared format. You can write this as a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4 can be written as a squared minus b squared into a squared plus b squared. So this a squared minus b squared can again be written as a plus b into a minus b into a squared plus b squared. So we will write down this as a plus b into a minus b into a squared plus b squared into a to the power of 8 plus a to the power of 4 b to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 8. Now we will factorize this further. So if you see this a to the power of 8, so we will write down here a to the power of 8 plus a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 8 can be written as a to the power of 4 the whole squared plus b to the power of 4 the whole squared. Then if you had one more, if it was 2 a to the power of 4 b to the power of 4, you could have used a squared plus 2ab plus b squared format. So what we will do is we will add one a to the power of 4 b to the power of 4. So this will become 2 a to the power of 4 b to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 the whole squared. Now you cannot simply add, you have to subtract. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 a to the power of 4 b to the power of 4 minus a to the power of 4 b to the power of 4 will be equal to this. So this can be written as a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 the whole squared minus, this can be written as a to the power a squared b squared the whole squared. Now again this is of the format x squared minus y squared. So x plus y into x minus y. So a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 plus a squared b squared into a x plus y into x minus y. So this becomes a to the power of 4 a squared. Yeah, now again we can factorize this. So here if it is 2a squared b squared, then this can become again s. So we will write down this as, okay. Now we will factorize a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 plus a squared b squared as a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 plus 2a squared b squared minus a squared b squared. So this will become a squared plus b squared the whole squared minus ab the whole squared. Again x squared minus y squared format. So it will become a squared plus b squared minus plus ab into a squared plus b squared minus ab. So now we can write this here. So this will become, now this will become a plus b into a minus b into a squared plus b squared. Now this will become a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 plus a squared b squared into a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 minus a squared b squared. Now here this we are going to again substitute this with this. So this is equal to a plus b into a minus b into a squared plus b squared. So there is no change with this. So we will write down that minus a squared b squared into this we will substitute as this a squared plus b squared plus ab into a squared plus b squared minus ab. You have to be very careful in doing the calculation. So once you know the formula, write it down and then just substitute. Then you will be able to do it very fast. So see you all with more problems in my next video. Bye for now.